Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to change currency in the Shein app. So let's get started. Open the Shein app on your smart device and make sure you are signed in to your account. By opening the Shein app on the homepage in the lower right corner of the screen, you can see your profile which says, Me, and then click on it. Then on the next page, in the upper right corner of the screen, look for the Settings option, which is represented by a gear, and click on it. By clicking on the setting option on the new page, in the drop-down menu, look for the option that says Currency, and then click on it. The application will open the currency list, where you can see the entire currency list. It's up to you to choose which currency you want and click on it. When you select the desired currency, the application will immediately update and display all prices in the new currency. And that's it! By following these unique steps, you can easily change the currency in Shein apps according to your preferences. It's a quick and easy process that can make your shopping experience even more convenient. If this guide helped you, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more shopping tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.